Hi, this is Steve with Apex Home Inspections, and today is Friday, 26th of August, 2016, and we are at 5707 Southeast 71st Avenue in Portland, and we're here today to do an inspection of the sewer line. And as you can see, we're outside of the home, we're out in front, and that's because our sewer line cleanout is at the front, about midway between the front of the left and right corner of the home, just to the left of the sliding door. Let's go ahead and drop our camera into the line, see if we can't get that pointed in the right direction. Zero off our counter in the upper right hand corner of our screen, and we'll begin our push all the way out to the city main. A couple of quick notes about today's inspection. Today's home was built in 1981. We are in a mixed neighborhood of homes in Portland. Some of these homes are older and some are newer. We may end up seeing some older material, sewer line material, as we get out closer to the street. Find out shortly. Currently we're inside of a 3-inch ABS plastic line. But here at 20, we'll call it 24 feet, we do make a transition to cast iron. This line is slightly larger, which makes it a 4-inch line. And this is a typical material that we would find for a home of this vintage, although this cast iron could be much older depending on whether or not there was a home in this spot before. But in 1981 it would be typical to find a cast iron line connected up to an ABS line. And then a little bit further, here we are at about 38 feet. Are looking at the inside of a concrete line. This tells me that this is probably a much older home site that was maybe built on top of something that existed here before that. Also, this concrete line shows somewhere it looks like it would be a bit more than the 35 years or so that this home has been here. And you'll also notice that as our camera pushed into this line, it dropped down again, thereby indicating this is more than likely a 6-inch concrete line. And just a few more feet, just about 50 feet, we are looking into the city main, which means we have reached our destination and means we are finished with this inspection. The good news is I didn't see anything that was all that concerning along our trip to the main, therefore I'm going to go ahead and close out the video now. I'm not going to recommend any further action, as it would appear the sewer line is functioning very well.